Hey everyone, I got another lock for you. It's an American Lock Series 40. There's the date code. A friend of mine gave me this lock a couple days ago and the core was all seized up, so I had to drill the core out, put a new core in it, repin it, get it going. I believe that actually it did have a 5-pin core in it originally, and it's been repinned for a 6-pin core. Now, I didn't put a anti-bypass in it because I just plan to send this lock out as a challenge lock in the future. Get my camera adjusted just right here. Alright, to pick this one, I'm going to go with top of the keyway tension, and I'm going to use a 15 thousandths Sparrows Euro hook. I want to start at the back of the keyway. Got a little click out of 6, a little tiny click out of 5. What you're hearing is clicks is actually not me setting pins, it's me sliding off the pins. Got a little click off of 2 and 3. A little click off of 5. I'm just watching that core bounce in there. Had a little kind of rotation on 3 here, and it's set. A little bit of movement on 2. Another tiny little click off of 6. Got a couple clicks off of 2 again. Okay, nice click off of 2 that time. Okay, 2 feels pretty good now. 3 feels solid. 4 feels solid. 5 feels like he's all the way up. 6 feels good. Okay, I just had a little bit of movement off of 3. Felt a couple pins drop down as I was going back checking on 6. Okay, I've got a nice deep false set after coming back up and hitting pin 2. Okay, so let's check all the pins. 6 feels good. 2 is good. Or 5 is good, I mean. 4 is good. 3 is good. 2 is good. And there we go, off of pin 1. Okay, so we've got an open. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, I need a Phillips screwdriver. stick a screwdriver in there I can get a little bit better grip with. That is tight. Alright, so to take this clip off, I need to lock the lock back up. Grab the key. Actually, I want to turn it that way. And I'm going to want to shim this because I know I stuck a T-pin in it. And a T-pin will get caught in that little groove right there and just create an ungodly mess. Just about have it up to the front. There we go. Alright, and my follower for this one is a screwdriver or a nut driver. Alright. Let's go ahead and take a look at the key pins. A factory serrated in 1, another factory serrated in 2, a real short standard in 3, a factory serrated in 4, a T-pin with a serration in it, and a factory serrated in 5. As you can tell, I've got threading in every chamber. Nice, real sharp threads. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this. Okay. Here I got T-pin in 1, a real long T-pin. Chamber 2 is a factory serrated. Chamber 3 is a factory serrated. We got a serrated spool in chamber 4. This long handle on the screwdriver is making it harder and harder to get out here. Chamber 5 is a pin and pin, and it was arranged just like that. In chamber 6, we've got another factory serrated. Looking at the Bible, you can tell that I've got threading in every chamber on the Bible as well. So let's zoom in on these pins a little bit. take a little bit closer look. Okay, in chamber 1 up top is a T-pin. That's where I got my big false set right at the end of the pick with factory serrated. A factory serrated up top and a factory serrated key pin. A serrated up top here, but the last couple of serrations on there are not factory. I actually widened them a little bit to make thinner serrations, just to see if it'll hang up in the threading anymore. A standard in 3. In 4, we got a serrated key pin with a nice serrated spool. I wish these spools right here were easier to come by because they're really good security pins. Followed by a pin and pin up top in 5. And a serrated T-pin in the bottom. And a factory serrated in 6 with, of course, a factory serrated key pin in the bottom. Alright guys, this is this Refurbished American Lock Series 40. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Never pick any locks that you don't own or locks that you don't have permission to pick. And as always, please like and subscribe by pressing the big subscribe button underneath the video.